Another unique sound filter inside a rain stick is chicken wire. If you happen to have some extra lying around, this makes a unique filter and it stays inside in there. It leaves the outside of your rain stick smooth. You want to take some chicken wire and you want to cut it about as wide as the opening of your rain stick. So you judge how many across that would be. Use wire cutters or scissors and cut your chicken wire. Once your chicken wire is cut, you have a strip of chicken wire and you're going to simply insert it into the tube. Now as it goes into the tube, you may have to squeeze your tube to get it to fit, and you kind of want to twist it as it goes so that it will be spiraling inside of your tube and do a better job of filtering. Sometimes you may have to bend the wire up or down, but it doesn't matter because the whole idea is to have a filter that the filler will filter through as it goes. You could also make another tube of this chicken wire if you wanted to, so that you would have even more of a filter as your filling, whatever it is, goes through it. So you kind of have to play with it a little bit, make sure it'll fit inside of your tube, because you can't reach up in and pull it. So you insert your chicken wire in your tube. And if it's difficult, you can also put a string or something on the end and stick it through so you can help to pull it through if it gets stuck as it's going through. Once your chicken wire is in place all the way through, you're going to want to look at that end, make sure that it is the way you want it to be coming through, and then you'll want to cap off one end, and then you'll be ready to either fill it or decorate it before you put a cap on the other end. And that's how you can use chicken wire as another kind of filter for your rain stick.